how you can earn $100 per day with faceless YouTube automation. Did you know that thousands of people make hundreds of dollars each day on YouTube without ever having to show their faces? It's completely possible, and you can actually do it today using your laptop. So, in this video, we'll show you how to earn $100 per day by starting a faceless YouTube channel and provide you with some simple steps on how to grow it. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dig right in. Even though there are many advantages to being in front of the camera, it really is not necessary. There are several examples of successful faceless YouTubers that utilize this method. So whether you're camera shy or just seeking strategies to speed up your video editing, this video provides all the information you need. These are just simple steps, so make sure to finish this video. Step 1. Select a channel niche. Why do you need to do this? Simply because you don't need to be on camera, and you can talk about or teach about anything you want. Now, how do you choose a niche? It's simple. You can look at your YouTube watch history and see which topics you're always watching. Basically, your niche should be something people would watch. Step 2. Know how or where to get your videos and voiceover. You don't have to be on camera since you're making a faceless YouTube channel. All you need is a bunch of relevant footage and an excellent voiceover to get started. In terms of the videos, there are various ways to do or get them. Here are a few ideas. Number 1. Create or record a video you can use. If you want your viewers to understand or follow along with your video, you can include B-roll footage. As a result, you are not required to appear in your video, nor are you required to give a presentation or talk in it. You only have to show what you're doing, how something is done, or how a process works to produce anything. Even if you're not in front of the camera and don't have to speak to it, you're capturing action in progress without interacting with the subject. Number 2. Record your computer or phone screen. An entertaining video may be made by simply recording what you see on your computer or phone screen. This is an excellent tool for crafting a lesson or demonstrating a procedure, since it lets your viewers see precisely where you're clicking or pressing on your device. It's also perfect for making gaming videos, where you can show your phone or computer screen to your viewers. Number 3. Make use of stock videos. Taking your own footage isn't necessary. There are a lot of great providers out there for stock videos. Some are free and some are paid. Pixabay and Videvo are just two of the most popular stock video sites out there. Number 4. Use PowerPoint presentations. Think of a PowerPoint or Keynote presentation, but utilize it as a video. Now, when it comes to making videos from your PowerPoint or Keynote presentations, both of them can record your presentations and let you save a movie file with them. You may use these tools to generate a whole video or export the films and use them in your editing software. As a result, you don't have to start from scratch. Instead, you may utilize these built-in templates. There are several incredible ones that you can download, install, and edit to make something spectacular quickly and simply. How about voiceovers? If you're comfortable with it, you can use your own voice to do the voiceovers. If not, there are sites like Fiverr and Upwork where you can hire freelancers to do voiceovers for your videos at a low price. Step 3. Find monetization avenues while waiting for AdSense. When it comes to earning money on YouTube passively, YouTube ads are the finest option. You should, however, avoid relying solely on ad money. Contrary to what others say, monetizing your YouTube videos or earning through ads does not happen immediately. You need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours first before you can apply for video monetization. Basically, you need to work hard and be patient because this is not something you can achieve overnight. Monetizing, aside from AdSense, is also better because it allows you to earn more and creates more value for your viewers. But how do you do this? Number 1. Use sponsors. Sponsored videos are one of the best ways to earn money on YouTube. This is when you promote a brand's product or service and they pay you for it. This is very common in many YouTube videos that you come across. The nicest thing about becoming a YouTube influencer is that you keep 100% of the revenue. Number 2. Sell some merch. YouTubers like David Dobrik and Jake Paul have earned thousands, if not millions of dollars selling their merch. They advertise these things firmly, as if you'd die if you don't get one. These people usually sell them on FanJoy, but for you, you can sell and mail it directly to your customers. Number 3 is affiliate marketing. This strategy is widely used by Amazon to create more sales. Basically, you apply for an affiliate marketing program from any platform or individual, and you immediately receive a commission once that clicker checks out. It's actually easy money if you think about it. Lastly, memberships. For instance, your niche is creating passive income. You can create a course about how to make passive income using blah 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 and sell it to your viewers. You only need to create a course that they can follow and receive money for every enrollee. To accomplish all of this, you need to put the link on the description, as viewers usually go there to find them. Step 4. Promote your channel. It's going to be impossible to grow your YouTube channel without viewers, right? If you don't promote your YouTube channel on your other social media platforms or interact with other artists, you won't see an increase in traffic. One of the best ways to connect with other YouTubers is through social media platforms like Twitter. Commenting on other people's videos is another fantastic way of promoting your channel. A follow-for-follow exchange should never be done. You can use words, "Let's be friends," to comment on others' YouTube videos. They're most likely going to feel special. However, don't waste your time on those who merely want to obtain more followers but provide nothing in return. Now that you know how and where to start, monetize, and grow, let's go to Step 5. Step 5 is to aim for rapid growth. Why is this important? Isn't slow growth much better? Well, according to a study, businesses fail in the first 3 years, so you need to reinvest your profits into growing your channel, analyze video statistics, and apply new business strategies. You must never forget that this is your business, and you need to make it grow. Just like any other business, you need to have a goal and a plan to reach it. But what are these goals? For a start, you must aim for 1,000 subscribers, and once you reach that, aim for 10,000. Second, stay within your niche. You mustn't drift away from your niche, as viewers go back to your channel for a specific topic. If you are known for this particular niche, stick with it. Third, incentivize your viewers and subscribers. Doing shoutouts on your new uploads can go a long way. Similarly, with live streamers, viewers engage more with them if they're being noticed. Lastly, create a community. Following number 3, engagement is an essential thing. You can opt to create a Discord server, a Facebook group, or a Telegram channel where you can engage and interact with your subscribers. Creating this community will magnet more and more subscribers in the long run. Now that you've known all these essential steps in making a faceless YouTube channel, make sure to use them and come back to this video and tell us how your channel is going. Thank you for being all ears throughout the entire video. If you'd like to learn more about the nature of this business, subscribe now and click on the notification bell to be updated with my latest uploads. If you want to expand your income by engaging with some side hustles, feel free to contact me so we'll get things moving right away. Remember, if you want to change your life, let's make a change together. You need to make a change.